जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस is a Hindi phrase. Its English translation is whoever owns the stick owns the buffalo. Its English equivalent is might is right. Its practical meaning is powerful can do anything. Can do is a random thing if power is gained. Will do is a common thing when one becomes powerful. If we are powerful, we will make the rules. If we are powerful, we will break the rules. If we are powerful, our decisions are your duties. If we are powerful, our acts are your justice. If we are powerful, we will decide your friends. If we are powerful, we will decide your enemies. If we are powerful, we will decide right for you. If we are powerful, we will decide wrong for you. You are allowed to do anything until we have objections. Once we raise objections, comply our instructions. And whatever we want, we can do. Nobody should dare to oppose in anything. If anyone opposes, be ready for the consequences. Be ready to pay the prices. Be ready for unpleasant results. For your well being, give us utmost respect. Praise us even for nothing. Treat us most important. And mind one thing clearly. Consider us most civilized. Consider us most knowledgeable. Consider us most sensible. Consider us most justifiable. Consider us most responsible. Why even consider? We already are. No matter. Buffalo is yours. No matter. You have purchased it. No matter. You needed it. But now it is ours. Buffalo is ours. Because we are telling you. Because we are powerful. And you know the meaning of power. And the fact is, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. Powerful can do anything is a rule of jungle. Jungle, where animals reside. There are no formal rules in jungle. Powerful animals can do anything because they have no wisdom. When we call ourselves a responsible human beings, we should have wisdom who understands right or wrong. But just because of power, we are doing wrong things and forcefully trying to implement on others. And others are following it out of fear of bad results. It questions our wisdom. It questions our intelligence. Right is always right. Wrong is always wrong. If we are forcing wrong by saying it right, wrong cannot be right. The East is East for everyone. It can't be East for someone and the West for someone. Power is not the deciding factor. Power cannot decide the truth. Power cannot decide the fact. Power cannot decide the rule. But power is deciding truths. Power is deciding facts. Power is deciding rules. Power is adopting selective approach. Same truth, but different meaning. Same fact, but different interpretation. Same rule, but different implementation. Power is deciding everything. It is harsh reality of the world. Powerful can do anything. Powerful is doing anything. Just like जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. And brutal fact is, other people are observers. Most of the people are silent. Capable people are inactive. If we call ourselves and consider ourselves civilized, we have to ensure justice must prevail. Power should not be deciding factor, but Fact should be deciding factor. Truth should be upheld. Reality should be maintained. Buffalo should be owned. Who really owns it? जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस नहीं, जिसकी भैंस उसकी ही भैंस.